Let's add a DIL Monitor agent to our Salesforce CRM. In this video, we're going to use the Scout Marketplace, and then we're going to use the installer for the DIL Monitor. This template will monitor your sales pipeline for stalled deals, approaching deadlines, at-risk opportunities, and get perspective alerts before deals slip away. So what we're going to do is install this template in our Scout workspace, which will walk us through creating a DIL Monitor agent. And then we're going to follow the instructions and see what we get from our CRM. So clicking the Use Template button takes us into our workspace in the inbox, and we can just hit Continue to start the install. Scout's creating a plan and starting to list its organization tools. So we're going to verify the CRM connection, gather user content, sales cycle link, gather user content inactivity threshold, critical stages to monitor, minimum deal value threshold, report recipient name or role, create collection for DIL Monitor agency, run log table in the collection, create working memory table in the collection, install initial working memory document. So what that means is this agent will have working memory in a table in Scout. And then it'll have a configuration, and then we validate it by sending a test message and ask the user about scheduling preference, and then provide a summary and wrap up. I see you have Salesforce connected. Would you like to use this for DIL monitoring? Yes. Oh, another error occurred. Let's try that again. Okay, we're working through the plan. What's your typical sales cycle length? Let's say 1 to 2 months. After how many days of no activity should I flag a deal as at risk? Yeah, let's go with 14 days. That sounds good. Okay, so 4 steps are completed. Looks like it's going to gather some more content. Are there any specific deal stages you consider most critical to monitor? Why? Let the agent discover them. What's your minimum deal value threshold for high priority? No minimum. Okay, I think it's got one more. Who should receive the risk reports? Wilson. Cool. So we've completed 7 steps. Now it's going to build our Scout collection and tables. Creating the memory table, working memory. Okay, we're on 11 of 15, so hopefully we'll be done shortly. Okay, it's going to validate agent by delegating a test message. And then it's going to ask about our scheduling preference. Let's start with manual runs for now. Almost there. All right. We have installed our DIL Monitor agent. Okay, let's give it a spin. So we'll grab this command and we'll just go straight to chat with our agent. And let's say, let's show me the high risk deals. So it's reviewing Salesforce. It sees our opportunity objects. It's looking for recent activities. It's going to create a run log entry and update working memory with the new schema. Okay, here we go. So it discovered some critical systemic issues that require immediate attention. Activity tracking failure. All 13 deals are at maximum risk. 0 recorded activities. I just installed this Salesforce CRM, so definitely need to work on generating some more test data. But here's the immediate high risk deals. The medium risk deals. And the plan. So very cool. Now let's go to the actual agent. So we can go to the agent details by going to Studio, Agents, and then clicking on the DIL Monitor agent. And we can add a schedule trigger, daily, weekly, every hour, etc. We can change the model, change to Sonic 4.5. And then we can see our instructions and our tools. And then we can play with talking with the agent here. But what we will do is once we get all of this dialed in, we would schedule the agent to run, let's say every day, with the prompt, which deals need attention this week, and either tell it to email me a summary or notify me in some way. Yeah, that's the DIL Monitor agent. Definitely looks like we have some work to do to get our CRM up to par.